What are modules in Webpack and how does it bundle them? Imagine building a giant puzzle where each piece is a part of your website or app. Now, think about how Webpack helps fit all those pieces together smoothly. That's what modules are in Webpack. They are small chunks of code or assets that make up your project. These chunks can be JavaScript files, style sheets, images, or other resources your website needs. Each module focuses on one specific part, like a button, a menu, or a form. This way, your code stays organized and easier to manage. Webpack treats every file in your project as a module, no matter what type it is. It uses special tools called loaders to process non-JavaScript files like CSS or images so they can be included in the overall project. Modules tell Webpack what they depend on using import or requiring statements. These are like instructions that tell Webpack how modules connect. Webpack then builds a map called a dependency graph. This graph shows how all the modules relate to each other. The process starts with one or more entry points. These are the main files Webpack begins analyzing. From there, it looks at each module's dependencies and follows the chain. It keeps doing this until it has mapped out everything the app needs. Once this map is complete, Webpack bundles all these modules into one or more files called bundles. These bundles are optimized for fast loading in browsers. Sometimes, Webpack splits code into smaller parts called chunks. This is called code splitting. It helps your website load faster because it only loads the parts needed at that moment. For example, a page might load the main bundle first and then load additional features later. You can customize how Webpack handles modules by editing its configuration file, usually named Webpack config.js. You can tell it how to process different files with loaders or add extra features with plugins. Plugins can do things like generate HTML files that automatically include your bundled scripts. In simple terms, Webpack makes it easy to write modular code and then combines everything into optimized files ready for the web. This approach helps developers build bigger, more organized, and faster websites. It's a key tool in the world of web interaction and development tools, making the development environment smoother and more efficient.